Hello students, today we are going to discuss about some numericals, the first type of numericals the we will face in the examination. So let's see how to solve the first type of numericals to identify the chemicals in the given questions. The question number 1, when black metal of compound XO is heated with colorless gas Y2, then metal X and the another compound Y2O are formed. XO2 form. Metal X red brown in color, which does not react with dilute acid at all. Gas Y2 can prepare by action of dilute acid on any active metals. The compound Y2O is liquid at the room temperature, which can turn anhydrous copper sulfate blue. So, students, the question is, what do you think? What do you think the metal X? What is the metal X in the given questions? What do you could be the gas of Y2 in these questions? And the compound XO. What is the compound XO? This students. And what is the compound of Y2O? This one. Okay, students. Whenever the question is given the black metal compound, always you keep in your mind the black metal compound means the black metal compound XO. X is the metal. Which metal? Copper oxide. The copper oxide is always the black compound. Copper oxide is always the black colored compound. Copper oxide, students. Keep in your mind. Don't forget this one. Black metal compound XO is copper oxide. Copper oxide is always black metal. The color is black. Right, students. Which is on heated with colorless gas Y2. Colorless gas Y2. Then metal heated and the another compound Y2 is formed. Okay. Let's discuss the students. XO turns into XO. Okay, students. XO, XO react with Y2, right? Y2 to form Y2O plus X. It means, students, we know that the black color compound is copper oxide treated with Y2. So in our reaction, whatever the reaction we are discussed, students, in that reaction we know that which reactant we are adding with copper oxide. Many times we are adding the H2. We are adding H2, right? Then H2 turns into H2O plus copper oxide turns into copper. Right, students? So then in this case, the copper oxide turns into react with H2. Why is the H2? And this is the H2O and this is the copper. Right, students? So this is removal of oxygen, addition of oxygen to hydrogen, removal of oxygen from copper. So this reaction we are discussing in our in this topic, in this chapter. Right, students? We are discussed. So that's why when you keep your mind the copper oxide always a black color compound when it treated with Y2. Y2 means the Y2 is the substance is a hydrogen. In diatomic form only hydrogen we are discussed. We are discuss only hydrogen. Y2 form only we are discuss the hydrogen and hydrogen only which is react with the oxygen to form H2O. Right, students? H2O prepared. Y2 compound is liquid at room temperature. The Y2 compound, one more the hint they given. Y2 compound is liquid at room temperature. Y2 compound is the liquid at room. So look at the students. The Y2 in atmosphere temperature. Y2 always liquid at room temperature. Y2 means H2O always liquid at room temperature. So that's why you have to keep your mind. So why is the hydrogen atom? Why is the hydrogen atom? Right, students? and the room temperature which can be turns anhydrous copper sulfate blue. So Y2 which is the help, Y2 which helps to turns anhydrous copper sulfate to hydrous copper sulfate blue. Look at the students. I will give the example here. The copper sulfate which is anhydrous, colorless, colorless, right? So in this water, if you are adding the 5 drops of water, 5 drops of water, this is Y2. Y2 molecules we are adding, which helps to make colorless to blue color copper sulfate H2O. That is a blue color. Right, students? Understood, students? So in this method, we have to determine the which elements are exist here. Understood, students? So finally we got. So answer our answer, students. What do you think the metal X? Metal X is KCU. The gas is H2 gas. Metal compound is copper oxide and the water which hydrates the copper sulfate, that is H2. Understand? So this is the displacement reaction occurs here and the whole complete reaction is this one. The students understood? Metal X, water soluble salt. Metal X is the water soluble salt. So first you will write the characteristics of the metal, students. Characteristics of metal. X is water. X is water soluble aqueous solution XNO3 added to common salt, then white precipitate. So one of the best, this is one of the best points, students. XNO3 added to the salt solution. The salt solution means always keep in your mind the what is the, student? NaCl. NaCl is the salt solution, student. NaCl is the salt solution. So whenever you add into the NaCl solution, it get precipitate. It get precipitate and compound Y form. Compound Y form along with sodium nitrate. Along with the sodium nitrate. It means when we are treated with here one of the precipitate forms Y and the sodium nitrate. The sodium is there here, nitrate is there here. So sodium nitrate is formed here. So with the help of this point, with the help of this second point, students, you have to find out what is the X. So sodium nitrate is formed means the Cl is there. Cl react with the X to form compound Y. So what is Y? Students, what is Y? It means, students, which compound, if you are using, keep your minds the zinc, copper, iron, silver. Out of these are for your syllabus. This for your syllabus, students, and the magnesium, calcium, these are your syllabus. Out of this all the metal, only silver is the compound. Only silver is the compound which get precipitate. Your syllabus you have a zinc, copper, iron, silver, magnesium, calcium. Out of this all the metals, only silver is the only one substance which get precipitate. So that's why you have to consider that here X is the silver, students. Silver. So it means the XNO3 means AgNO3 react with NaCl to form AgCl, which is precipitated, and that is NaNO3. So what is the Y compound? Y compound is the AgCl, students. Understood, students? AgCl is the compound which get precipitate. Right, students? We know this, and it is best conductor of electricity and does not evolve the hydrogen gas and put into dilute HCl. Right, students? So AgCl is the example here. Right, students? AgCl is the example. The question: what is the metal X? Metal X is Ag. What is XNO3? XNO3 is the AgNO3. Name of the compound Y. Compound Y is AgCl. Compound Y is AgCl, right? And the chemical reaction. So answer I written here, students. Metal X, Ag, salt, AgNO3, compound AgCl. And the reaction. Right, students? Understood, students? So just you got the hint, students. Whatever the reactions are given in that question, you have to find out the hint which compound is precipitated. The in our reaction only this compound is precipitated. Where is this? Silver. Silver is only precipitated with salt solution. With the salt solution. Right, students? Metal X and Y forms salt XSO4 and Y2SO4 respectively. Y2SO4. Right, students? Y2SO4. Solution of XSO4 is blue. Always keep in your mind blue. So this is the one of the hints, friends. XSO4 is blue. So you have to write here. Third question. XSO4 is blue color. This is the one hint. In a color, whereas the Y2SO4 is the colorless. Y2SO4 is colorless. When BaCl2 added, XSO4 solution is white precipitate. When BaCl2 added, XSO4 solution is white precipitate. So XSO4 treated with the BaCl2. This is BaCl2. XSO4 reacted with BaCl2. So barium sulfate will be formed, students. Barium sulfate. So barium sulfate will be forms, and here the compound what precipitate Z. Here the compound is Z will be forms. Salt turns solution green, which is the green color. When it white precipitate Z formed along with salt solution, which turn the green. When barium chloride solution is added to the Y2SO4 solution, some white precipitate Z forms along with the colorless common salt. So what is the X and Y, and what is the formula of XSO4? What is the formula of Y2SO4? And name the compound and formula and precipitated Z. So in the question, whenever any one salt has given you blue color, this is one of the most important points, students. So blue color means that is copper sulfate, students. Copper sulfate. In previous reaction, I will explain you. Blue color salt is copper sulfate. Right, students? Copper sulfate. Right? Copper sulfate. And copper sulfate react with the Y2SO4. Y2SO4 is the colorless. Y2SO4 is colorless. This is colorless. When this compound, that is copper sulfate, students, copper sulfate. Y2SO4 given. Those this is one of the hint. Colorless. You want to find this. What is this compound? So whenever, so Y2, students, Y2SO4 treated with the salt. Here the look at here, one of the hint are given. Barium chloride added to the Y2SO4 solution. Some white precipitate Z along with the colorless common salt. Colorless common salt, students. Common salt. Which is one of the best hint. They given common salt. Common salt means NaCl. Right? Common salt forms NaCl. It means when Y2SO4 treated the barium chloride, so here it forms common salt. Z is the common salt, students. Sorry, students. This is the common salt, right? It is not Z. Common salt here. This is the common salt. The common salt means in our household, whatever salt we are using, that is we call common salt. That is the NaCl. So it means the common salt is NaCl means put here the Na2SO4 react with barium chloride. It forms what it forms? It forms, students, 2 sodium, 2 chlorine. 2 sodium, 2 chlorine and barium sulfate. Barium sulfate. And barium sulfate is the precipitate compound student, and this is the colorless salt, colorless liquid salt, and this is the precipitate form. So Z is the barium sulfate, NaCl. Right, students? So our answer is X is the copper and XSO4 is the copper sulfate. Y is the Na. Why is the Na? Because they are telling the hint they given here common salt. So NaSO4 and Z is the barium sulfate. Right, students? Understood? And the final answer is the barium sulfate and sodium chloride. 2 times. Right, students? So like this you have to solve the example, students. In this method you have to solve the example by using hint. They will give the hint here. With the help of hint you have to find out the answer. Right, students? Like it gives the blue color solution. Always copper sulfate is the blue color. Common salt means the always common salt means the always NaCl, right? And the barium chloride react with the uh, Y2SO4 to form barium sulfate. Barium sulfate is the precipitate compound. Right, students? Understood?